Level
No,
27.
yeah, there's a once upon a time. There's a once upon a time here. Pilo kay Quashimp.
It puro.
Where they at right now? Where they at right now? Hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here. Hold here. Where they at right now? My D-tanks.
Teka. Scout ko lang
Okay,
ah.
come sa come east.
Mounted sila dito.
Ping, come east. Southeast no. Where they are now?
Dito, sa may ping ko.
Okay.
Dismounted,
Pre, ingat ka
dismounted.
pre ah. Ikaw lang dito ko pre. Puchigosi.
Inching up na sila ah. Nag-pass through na sa choke.
Look at northwest. Hold now.
Southwest sila, southwest.
Hold. Yo, take space on the northeast. Do not clump like that. Take space on the northeast. Come northeast. Yo, come up the hill. Cleanses now. Come up the hill. Careful, okay? They're gonna look soon. Take space on the southeast. Careful, they're ready front. The front. Heal the front. Heal the front. Come southeast more. Yo, Q's and W's here, okay? Guys, take space on my northeast, okay? Northeast. I cannot see their color. Okay, I found their color. They have Woshimp, okay? Come in. Come northwest.
Going south.
Yo, can you catch this guy? Catch them? Catch him. Catch this guy, northwest. Catch him, northwest. Yo, my bounce kill them. This guy, on me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me now. Okay, where they at right now? Come northeast. The angle is so bad here, come northeast. Come northwest now.
Nasa northwest mo, 1K.
Come northwest. Yo, catch this guy. Also.
Defend.
Yo, defend front. Come in E, boys. Come in E. Come in E. We're gonna kite northwest. We're gonna kite northeast.
Nag-shallow sila, 1K, nag-shallow sila.
We're gonna kite northeast, okay? We're gonna kite northeast. Yo, heal up. Keep going northeast. I'm gonna full kite northeast. Razor and Gomari. All pa. Come in E. I don't want to fight here. We're gonna take the south angle, okay? Come to me, follow me. Don't hug the wall. Come see.
Nag-engage sila kayo.
Okay, don't die, please. Don't die. Come see. Come south. Where they are right now? Come south now.
Northwest mo. Nasa northwest mo.
Going south. Okay, walk northwest now. Tell me if they engage, okay? Hold. Yo, heal hand by on the front. Heal hand by on the north.
Looking
Hold. They're looking, okay? They're looking. Wait. Yo, Def. Yo, Def now. Now, walk in. Walk in and brawl. Walk in and brawl northwest. Brawl northwest. Drop you on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop you on me. Oh my god, you guys died. Keep pushing northwest. Just push northwest. DGT?
Yeah, DGT.
What the fuck? Okay.
Tapos na?
Inang yan. Patay lang isa sa kanila.
Okay.
Bakit?
Come southeast.
Namatay sila ng isa, boy. Nabawasan sila ng 51. Nalabli Gumari ata.
Ang inang yan. Okay, second fight no GG. Come in. Okay, look at them northeast.
Andun ang kumando.
Guys, they're on the choke, okay? Careful. They're on the choke. Look at the northwest. Dito ang front.
Wala pa ko yung mark kay Heart Eyes, 1K ah.
Sige lang.
Wala ko yung mata.
Def ready. Yo, def ready. Careful guys, take space on the southeast. Spam guard runs on the south, All pa, laro ka lang, all pa.
Engage.
Okay. Good, all pa, good. Yo, def ready front. Yo, northwest on me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no. Come southeast. Def now.
Now silence na ako.
Guys, def now. Def, come southeast. Hold. Yo, next time they engage, we full walk in, okay? Hold.
Looking sila.
Hold. Just hold. All good. Wait.
Taga kay Tata kayo.
Kiting.
Hold. Sige lang. Yo, walk in. They still have DA, okay? Careful. They're gonna look soon. Keep walking. Hold now. They're looking now. Hold now. Tell me if they engage. Hold. Now walk. Just walk. They're gonna look on the choke, okay? Careful. They're looking. Wait. They're looking northeast, okay? Hold.
Pillow cake southwest.
Okay, come back. Kami.
Holding choke.
Kami. Hold. Def ready. Def. They have one more, okay? They have one more. Wait.
Kiting southwest.
Come southwest. Razor, do you wanna flank then? Razor, come southwest. Yeah. They keep mounting up. So, yo, guys, kill the tank inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tank inside. Brawl the tank inside. Yo, inside. Careful on the front, okay? Careful on the front. Kill this tank first. Kill the tank first. Okay, come southwest. Yo, kill the tank first, boys. Def ready. Kill the tank on northeast. Okay, hold. Yo, def. Now, full walk in and brawl. Walk in and brawl. Yo, deep on me. Deep northwest on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west now. Yo, full push him. Hold now, okay? Hold now. They're looking now. Hold now. Kill the guy inside. Okay, hold.
Okay, ah.
Hold. Kill the guy inside. Yo, just kill the guy inside. There's a bounce cut on the northwest. Come northwest. Full push northwest. Kill this guy.
1K.
On me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Kill these people inside. Kill the people inside. Brawl the people inside. Okay, brawl the people inside. There's a bomb squad inside of us. Kill them.
Looking kayo.
Okay, def ready. Def now. Wait. They have one more. Okay, they have one more. Wait. Hold now. Okay, ditang walking now. Walking. All the ditang walking. Walking. Brawl inside. Keep going southeast. Go southeast. They're full kiting, okay? Get ready that front, okay? Boots in if you're late. Keep going southeast. Wait. Yo, we stop. They don't have engaged. They don't have defensives, okay? Hold. Def now. Yo, look at the choke. Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill pillow cake. On me. Kill this guy. Brawl in me. Brawl. Keep brawling southeast. Just brawl southeast. Brawl and spread. Save your E now, okay? Save your E now. 30 seconds to engage. Keep going southeast. Def ready. Okay, keep going southeast on me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Oh my god. Let's spread. Yo, catch him.
Running sila, running.
They're all running. Catch all of them. Catch all. Good shit, boys.
What the fuck? Sarap.
Loot.
Many loot.
Yo, loot. We don't have combat loot there. Yo, my bomb squad, can you help me loot? We don't have looter, bro. They didn't assign looter to us. We need to loot. Yeah. Yo, help.